This pizza took 72 hours to make and just 4 seconds to disappear. Our 72-hour dough recipe. Start with 500 grams of bread flour. Add 16 grams of sea salt and whisk. Add 1 gram of yeast and whisk again. Add 350 grams of room temperature water. And then we begin to mix with our hand. Just enough to bring it together. And then we knead it right in the bowl. Remove from the bowl and clean it. Knead the dough a few more times. And then place it back in the bowl. Cover and let rest for 24 hours at room temperature. Place in the fridge for 2 days. Remove from the fridge. The dough is going to feel cold and dense. Next, we're going to divide our dough into 3 equal portions. It doesn't have to be perfect. Close is good enough. All right, flour up those hands and let's make some dough balls. Pick up a dough and we're going to fold it in half. Rotate it 90 degrees. Grab the ends and we're going to fold it again. And rotate. Repeat about 15 times until you have a nice taut ball. Place that smooth side into your palm and pinch those seams. That's 1. All right, and here's another way to do it. We're going to do this one right on the table. Grab each end, fold it over and pinch just like this. And pinch it closed. That's 2. The third one, I'm picking up again and folding it in my hands. Be gentle, it's not a stress ball. When you're done, dust a sheet tray, place your dough balls on top, and cover and let rest for 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. While the dough is relaxing, let's get our sauce and cheese ready and our baking steel in our oven. You're 3 hours away from making a pizza like this one. Enjoy.